We want to add Penspring to an existing Canvas assignment. By that we mean that Penspring becomes the tool which provides the word processor files for all students, and which shows the teacher the writing graphs in the Penspring dashboard.
Notice the 3 courses in our dashboard. The first course is called Novel Composition. We have 1 assignment so far, just to show you by example. This assignment is in our first module. Whether your assignment is in a module or in the general assignment list, adding Penspring to your assignment is similar. First, let's take a look at your Penspring file directory. Your dashboard courses and modules are synced up from Canvas.
You will see badge numbers in any modules where a Penspring assignment exists. Be aware that the Penspring file directory only shows Penspring assignments, but inside of Canvas you will have Penspring assignments mixed in according to the order you have given. You see here again our existing Canvas assignment called Developing New Characters.
Our existing assignment has already been given 20 points possible. The available date is April 1st. It is available until April 23rd. The due date is April 16th. We also have some instruction. So all of that data will be applied also to the new Penspring assignment. We start by clicking on the edit at the top right. There is the assignment name, the instructions, and the points. The external tool called Penspring is found in the submission type list, where we find the external tool option.
We will click on External Tool, then click on Find to search for Penspring in the list. A frame or pop-up will open that contains the wizard to choose the Penspring options. Most of the details are already filled in.
Our first choice is to either start a blank document for each student, or to upload a document for students to edit or fill in. An uploaded document could be a history assignment, which may contain 10 prompting subjects or questions for the students to respond to. Your uploaded document could also be a list of math problems to solve. Penspring has a math entry capability to enter square root, fractions, exponents, and even more advanced math symbols.
In this case, we are just going to choose the blank document option and click Next. Notice that the Canvas course name, the module name, and the document name are filled in. Further below, you will find your previously entered instructions which you can modify if necessary. You can also upload additional instructions here by choosing that toggle button to open up additional controls to find a document.
In this case, we don't have to do anything more since the points possible, and dates are also filled in. You do have the additional option to add a rubric, which can be uploaded from your files. Or Penspring can create a new rubric automatically. But that's a different subject which you can see in the Penspring Tour subjects. Let's just click Submit. We have 30 students. The count will show that it is creating word processor files for each student.
Back in the Canvas page where we are editing the existing assignment, be sure you click on the Select button where you left off in the External Tool list. Scrolling downward where we are looking for the Save button, notice that the original dates are there. We just click on Save Now.
Now when we go to the Penspring file directory, by clicking on the Penspring navigation button on the left, you'll see that the assignment is showing in the Building Worlds module. By clicking on the module, we see the file list on the right side. We can publish the assignment here, which will sync with Canvas. We won't do that yet. But notice when we click on the assignment name, you are taken to the Penspring dashboard, where all your graphs will show up soon as students start writing, which is the superpower of Penspring, among other things.
That is how you convert an existing assignment to Penspring, or essentially it's adding Penspring as an external tool to a Canvas assignment. Now, let's return to the Canvas dashboard. By clicking on Novel Composition, we see that the assignment is still there.
You may also notice that the Penspring Windows opens up in the small frame. Since this is a word processor and the frame is small, it is not convenient there, which is why it is so better to click on left panel in order to have the whole screen to use for writing. And just to give you an idea of what the word processor looks like, we will open one of the student's documents. When the student is on this page, the blue panel on the left can collapse, so that their view is simple and clean.
This concludes this tutorial to show how to convert or add Penspring in your existing Canvas assignment.